Hi. Today I'm gonna share with you how we can set up Google Analytics for with our website. So you can see this is our website, and we're gonna set up Google Analytics with this website. First, to set up Google Analytics, we need to have a Google Tag Manager account, and under this Google Tag Manager, we need a web container. So we already created and connected this Google Tag Manager with this website, and in the previous video I showed how to connect Google Tag Manager with this website. So now I have to set up the Google Analytics. To set up Google Analytics, first I need to create a Google Analytics account, and I already created. After creating account, click here, then you will see here data stream, then click on data stream, then again click here, then you will see here is a measurement ID. Just copy it, go to Google Tag Manager, then variable, the new. Okay, then choose a constant variable and paste the measurement ID over here and write a name. Save. Then go to tag and new and find here Google Tag. Okay, fine. And select the GA4 measurement ID, and in the configuration setting, write a name, send page view, then under the value write false. Okay, then save. Write the name, go GA4 config tag. Okay, cool. Then click on preview. It's loading. So guys, if you need any help with tracking, any kind of tracking, then feel free to contact me. I am here to help you, no problem. So our Google Tag Manager is connected. Okay, you can see the Tag Manager is connected. If I show you the initialization, then you will see the GA4 config tag is fired, Google Analytics is fired. In this way, actually, you can connect Google Analytics with your website. So that's the thing actually. If you follow this video, I hope you will be able to set up Google Analytics for with your website. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to share with me and like, comment and share. Thank you very much.